In this video, I'm going to show you the exact recipe used at Benihana for spicy teriyaki sauce. Now, if you've seen the teriyaki and Diablo sauce videos, you basically know how to make it. But there's one thing we'll need to change to do it properly. And after we make the sauce, we'll go over a super quick breakdown of how to use it in both spicy teriyaki chicken and spicy teriyaki steak. Alright, before we hop into the recipe, I want to go over the two main components. Benihana spicy teriyaki is essentially a blend of the hot pepper paste from the Diablo sauce mixed with Benihana's teriyaki sauce. And that's it. If you recall from the Diablo sauce video, the hot pepper paste is just a blend of Japanese togarashi chili peppers, honey, and ketchup. We went over all the different kinds of togarashi in that video, so I won't belabor the point here, but I just want to reiterate the exact brand Benihana uses is S&B Foods Ichimi Togarashi, the one with just the peppers. However, if you have shichimi or nanami togarashi, those will work fine, so just use whatever you have on hand. I'll include links to a bunch of different kinds of togarashi chili peppers in the video description. Now, the base recipe for the hot pepper paste is 2 parts Ichimi togarashi, 1 part honey, 1 part ketchup. So to make it, in a small bowl, start with 1/4 cup or 24 grams Ichimi togarashi, 2 tablespoons or 43 grams of honey, and 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of ketchup. Then mix everything together until you have the consistency of wet sand, like this. Then set the paste aside. To make the teriyaki sauce, add to a medium pot 1 cup or 240 milliliters Kikkoman brand soy sauce, 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of sake, 5 teaspoons or 25 grams of ketchup, 1 cup or 240 milliliters of mirin, 3 tablespoons or 16 grams of apple juice, and 1 pinch of black pepper. Then add 1 cup or 200 grams of white sugar and stir until it is completely dissolved. Then bring the mixture up to a simmer over medium heat for approximately 10 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, take 1/3 cup or 42 grams of cornstarch and add it to a small bowl. Then toss in 1/3 cup or 80 milliliters of water and whisk until they are thoroughly combined. After the teriyaki mixture is simmered for 10 minutes, whisk the cornstarch slurry once again to make sure it hasn't settled at the bottom of the bowl and slowly drizzle it into the simmering sauce. It should thicken within a minute or two, but if it's not thick enough for you, continue to simmer until the sauce reaches the desired consistency. Then remove it from the heat. Now, according to my sources, there's not a set amount of pepper paste they add to the spicy teriyaki. The prep cooks just eyeball it. So in the video description, you'll find 2 different versions, one medium spice and one extra spicy. For the medium spice, stir 1/2 of the pepper paste into the teriyaki sauce and whisk until it is well combined. Then taste to see if it's spicy enough. If the spice level tastes good, you can use the other half of the pepper paste to make Diablo sauce. Just stir in mayonnaise to taste and you'll have the spicy teriyaki and Diablo sauce. A true win-win situation. If, on the other hand, you decide the teriyaki is not spicy enough for you, just add the other half of the pepper paste to the teriyaki mixture and whisk until it is thoroughly combined. And this is the extra spicy version. And that's it. That is the exact recipe for Benihana spicy teriyaki. After the sauce is cooled down, it can be stored in a covered container in the fridge for up to 1 week. Now, to make the spicy teriyaki chicken, you'll just follow the exact process outlined in the teriyaki chicken video, which I will link to at the end. You'll just replace the regular teriyaki with the spicy teriyaki. So right after we've added the hibachi garlic butter and it's melted, add the spicy teriyaki sauce, stir to coat, hit it with some sesame seeds, give another stir to mix, and then garnish with some more sesame seeds, and you're ready to serve, just like this. For the spicy teriyaki steak, just follow the instructions in the teriyaki steak video, which I will also link to at the end. And right after we've added the garlic butter and it is melted, add the spicy teriyaki sauce, stir until everything is well combined, and it's ready to serve, just like this. If you'd like to learn how to make Benihana's version of teriyaki steak and teriyaki chicken, check out these videos. And if you'd like to learn some more hibachi at home recipes, make sure to check out this playlist. Thanks for watching. See you next time.